We say mo bibi akwaba enfambra Pinax TV. So right now okopie mu ewo X me share formerly Twitter na enyumtini Black Sherif na trendy ewo honoma allegedly no ye chima na chese ye de na kwa kopie mu ewo court a akoye ensem bebre na so ye hwehwe mu na edi ensem na chi na chese obusua no kre se Black Sherif ho nsem akwa kopie mu ewo Adenta Circuit Court a it has got to do with rent issues near there all those social media no so a ebinumo etrese about a certain amount of money or mususu say the fraud dey near there and say wo hye nanse ntema enye as celebrities name rantie ya ye chichi wo mu yina no na ya abutreka I mean amafo be ya chichi wo mu due to fraud near there now so Black Sherif dey ya koso a sebe wo trending number 1 say no na che say ye duedue mu akotieti nsemu no na allegedly ye chire mu a na che say Black Sherif the rent car akwakofa sa ensemu nyina aba masabre de wonipa wo de asem no akwakodan Adenta Circuit Court no Dr. Evelyn Esi Etwito ono na wo mutwe mu se oye landlady a Black Sherif de ne ka na ensem ne sha ase se agentry han with social media no so na ebi mu etre mu a na sebe ni fia wotimo na wontimi ntua rent ene ade na ama sebe efiera no ede na kwakopie mu ewo court na nso no kra ewa asem ni mu no eche se enipa asebe maame Evelyn ede wo mu ekogina anase wo de wo asem akodan Adenta Circuit Court no record label friend no RBA I mean no record label bi a mostly no it's linked to Black Sherif into omo and omoye the first defendant and a Black Sherif the second defendant case we mu now Road for Boys Association record label no and twemu say dan ya sebe wo mo etine mu di yo studio work near there situated in Adringano no and twemu say since August 2024 ade a wo mo entua renter rent no so de busumi bia no 15,000 Ghana cedis na no na chese wo makika bomu a sika no enam be 229,500 Ghana cedis a asem no akwakopie mu ewo Adenta Circuit Court now we show screens no eso a we every Ebenezer Donko or say not too long ago I had a conversation with my brother at Obi Mpena Austin and what you say on the need for newsroom and media houses to have journalists who are well trained in court reporting and legal matters. How does any responsible person report that Black Sherif has been ordered by the Adenta Circuit Court to pay a certain amount of money when the notice attached they are circulating with the reports clearly shows that trials has not begun and that hearing has been adjourned to the 3rd of March of 2026. Is it daftness, ignorance, or smear campaign? Again, a careful check will reveal that the said property is not Black Sherif's residence, but rather RBA's office space and studios. Black Sherif obviously does not live there, and so that place cannot be regarded as his residence. In summary, Black Sherif has not been ordered by any court to pay any amount of money to the plaintiff. Again, the said space is not Black Sherif's residence. We can do better with our report. In Tianseme Ebenezer nyina ne say, and some ne sha se social media no so no. Ade bakwa na nkofo ne say baby a Black Sherif etse edan ya wotimu no e na ontua ho renter ye de na kodan court e se court e se ontua 229,500 Ghana cedis na amanfo susu say with what is happening ne die na che say Black Sherif eni sika ana osori oye ne hukokoti e wo kroma Ebenezer enhwehwe mu a wode aba na wode etwemu say at this point no die no kra wo mu ne say Road for Boys record label no wo mu studios a wo mu tene mu say da bi kan e wo Adringano no ene ye mu say allegedly since August 2024 ABC busumi ya ewo mu ade wo mu ntua rent ene efiera na de asem na kodan court ena court mu say asem no wo ma fra obi ama enti say no court strategy we use ye ne say rate no wo mu de akotare court premises for ena face to the premises studios na wo Adringano no ho no mu de rate na akotare ene ade say de be ye obi abemu ena face wo mu de enkrata ababeto monten so a enkrata no mu say asem no omo de akwako asem no omo tu ahyeda a omo de akwako 3rd of March 2026 na eno no mpese Black Sherif enya ne ho nti ase ese so omo fra asem no na se wamba womo betena se edi asem no with or without his presence ena ema nkrata we ebeto mbonten so a amanfo bebre ehya ase ese womo complain enti wo hwe court rate eda wo screens no so a wo hwe o se plaintiff no Evelyn Esi Areto doctor house number 159 Girls Street Sakumono Accra versus RBA Limited eno na Road for Boys Association omo no me defendant first defendant no RBA Limited and a second defendant no Mohammed Ismail Sherif aka Black Sherif and omo edi ehye ho enti ba o say order for substituted service. Upon reading the affidavit in support of motion expatiate for substituted service filed on behalf of the plaintiff applicant on 24th November 2025, and upon hearing Jacob Dixon Bunny Esquire counsel for and on behalf of the plaintiff, it is hereby ordered that second plaintiff who cannot be traced for personal service to be served by substituted service by posting copies of amended writ of sermons and amended particulars of claim, hearing notice together with this order in the following manner. On the notice board of the District Court Adenta, on the wall of the second defendant's address at number 4 Recreational Close, NTHC Estate, Adringano, Accra, where it shall remain posted for 7 days. The suit is adjourned to 2nd March 2026. Intuition kratan ya mekan ma ya na chese de omo nyina ne say e ade a sebe omo hwehwe Black Sherif for some obvious reasons no omo nsanka no enu nti e no omo de lawsuit no akotare court dan no eho e na afa nso omo de bi akotare ya adringa no Black Sherif Road for Boys building no eho. Now say hearing notice to parties Evelyn Esi Areto doctor NRBA Mohammed Ismail Sherif intuition krata na ewo ho na eno na the hearing notice omo ede Emma Black Sherif on the 3rd of March omo ebekọ hearing, and so they need to see him there with or without his presence no case no ebe proceed na ensem we ekoso no amanfo bebre abeche omo adwene ewo ho, and one person waba bonten abekasa afasa semwe ho yankasa yebongo ideas abusia bongo ideas ensem a odi ababetu dwane chemu say Black Sherif ti we oni ne ho hye and osori a kunkuntai ni ade na o chem say there is a reason to why Black Sherif is broke. Now we show you screens so this is a screenshot from Albert Natide. Or say Black Sherif's contract deal with Empire is so bad that man owes rent arrears close to 2 years. This is a guy with global hit, but due to bad contract he can't own his music and can't acquire properties until after 15 years. Blacko owes nothing. Man is suffering silently. Into where and some abongo ideas they are better mountain. So we for and I will say every bra Empire record label. Now Empire record label happens to be an American record label. Money Black Sherif into contract. This label has people like Cardi B near Demunina. So now and no bongo ideas see say sad deal na Black Sherif and Empire for Ekoyen nya de beboane because nenyum ni ade he doesn't own them. Ema sika enhyeda emma ni botom sa so obetimi crampo oni nenyum na fe wenyenya ejapade na ade age say infidu enum echire mi 15 years echi ansa na obetimi enya sa opportunity ni enti Black Sherif na mo no niema wo femu no ye na ye nim senki ye nim niema Black Sherif femu a at this point anka ye be sympathize de amano in some way Blacko editu dwanom and I just say ebusia amanfo bebreche o madwen won say it could be true because omun said that who Blacko ye now so ni nyina mu no show boy ayede ya some time ago what the ensem bi betu just say ka celebrities anyumtofo e wo krodwe mu ha sabe o mo la power mo mu ni capreti chese o mo botomaria na chese Black Sherif ka ho bie na ensem we pie no na chese show boy video na manfo chim say show boy kan ye ampa abusia yenko tie said the show boy etu nenum to this ensem we etu montin so
And you me a black obe we see be any dia. O make sika be o DSP so he's not making nothing. O here ni no nam ho. Oni ne ho hwe me obi anda da se black oscar. Oni ne ho hwe 15 years contract with Empire. Oni ne ho hwe. Blacko is the most broke nigga in Ghana music industry as compared to the hype that he has. Oni ne ho hwe. They ka otwikra say. All the money way Blacko is making for Empire. Empire cannot even buy a Lamborghini for Blacko to actually flex because Blacko the highly indebted boy in Empire. They make Blacko number 1 on the DSP. Which one the number 1 sir for 6 months? They are just making money out of him because they've invested so much money in him. They are just using Blacko. Lawyers kind of for government yen can boom yen support Blacko. Empire for no yen share there or more the Blacko. Judges, enko sipina Blacko, your friends and statistics in brown. You see how much money Blacko is making, how much money they are not giving Blacko. He has signed his rights and his masters off. Bena boy moko da no sa time when tie kasa ena Blacko ene Blacko deka. And you Blacko bebo we see be enye dia. O make sika be o DSP so he's not making nothing. O here ni no nam ho. Oni ne ho hwe me obi anda da se Blacko ska. Oni ne ho hwe. O here ni no nam ho. Oni ne ho hwe me obi anda da se Blacko ska. Oni ne ho hwe. Me nam 37 and man Blacko car says kwan ho na me twem boko because me gina my yawa. Me gina ferry beton so for me to respect Blacko me twem koi. Enye fe because me your Blacko din be say your Blacko I dey compare am to Asekemo because Blacko ni Asekemo ne buy ne ko hwe Aseke life. Why is Aseke living a good presidential life and Blacko is out here doing concerts? Blacko dey say by now ko dan where you ko by now ko dan California. Cause the same lifestyle that Aseke is that the same lifestyle Blacko has to live. Why is Blacko sitting in Islam?
It's a video I watch here no na a show boy I wish I watch him say yeah sorry I just say him say Blacko a international artist or mounting international podiums and stage fence and stages born nyom ni ade na Blacko ni ade or the albums aba the villain I never was ni de keka hu ni na no ma eno NDTV because the guy is bleeding low key. That's what you say. Show boy, watch him say, yensu mano, yensu Emma Blacko and Kasa because the guy is really going through a lot. Now, and same when you na ebusian for yenya enter the side of Blacko, whether it is true, whether it's not true, and I said the air cost to know. But then we know say, since court rate has been served, do not say the rumors about he having a court case no, no cray. The because so na ye desire and same way, it's yenda she fast same when you are ready share.